Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel at Home with Carla, where I share my life and my pets and my vacation and whatever comes up. And I almost daily blog. So welcome to my channel. While we were on vacation, our son did our driveway with a new blacktop, and it looks so nice. I'll have to show that. But we had a lot of fun camping and fishing. We caught a lot of fish. I was glad to get back though, because it was a little warm, but that's okay. We still had fun, and the sunset was really pretty. Well, the husband jumped off in the water, and he's taking a shower out in the lake because the water is pretty warm. We're at a kind of like an island. You can't see too much right here, but it's pretty nice out. Well, we made it back home safely from camping, and then we had a severe storm and lightning. Nobody in the neighborhood has electric. It's just totally dark out there. No street lights, nothing. But our son came up with the good idea of starting the generator in the camper. It's a beefy one, he said. So he hooked up that, and then we got electric for the TV, and my fish have air. Otherwise, they would all die. So thank God for that. And he helped it. My husband's back. He's got that sciatic nerve that's bothering him. So that is preventing him from helping. So thank God our son is here to help. And then we have the other aquarium in here too. Oh, here comes electric. Oh, there it is. Oh, at least that's what it was doing before. It was popping on and off. But at least the fish were fine. And they're working on the electric anyway. It's coming back on soon. So that will be nice to have the AC back too. But Paul, if you're watching this, thank you very much for your help. And for patching and sealing the driveway. It looks great. And he got our lawnmower ready for sale, which sold on the first customer, which I was glad. I had some leftover things from camping, some sausages, and we had a lot of eggs. So I'm just going to make a couple eggs and this for an early supper. We have a lot of fillet of fish that my husband filleted up, so we'll probably have that later after he gets up. So yeah, that's about it. Just got my toenails all painted and fingernails, of course. This is so cute. My husband brought it home, and it's a little waterfall, and there's a pump underneath the bottom there, and then it sucks the water up and drains it back out here. Isn't that neat? It is cute. This is the kit I usually use. It's by L'Oreal, and that's all you do is put a cap on it, pull the hair strands through here. I don't go by the little circles. I just pull it out wherever I want. And then it comes with the highlighting stuff. And then you just cover it with a plastic bag for about an hour. And then rinse it out, and voila, you have highlights. But mine never look that good, but at least I have some highlights. Usually my husband will load the dishwasher and put dishes away, but since his nerve down his leg is bothering him, I'm going to do it. So let's get it done. Ta-da! Pretty much cleaned up. I'm still waiting for my hair to highlight, so I'm going to cook up some mushrooms and some onions that we have in the fridge. Some olive oil in there. And then I'm going to wash up the mushrooms and get them in there. They're fresh indeed mushrooms. Mini Bella sliced. in here. And with the mushrooms. I usually like my mushrooms well cooked. I mean, not to the point of being black or charcoal or anything, but I like them cooked down quite a bit. And so then the mushrooms will get cooked and caramelized as well. And it's a little early for supper, but it's 4:44. Doesn't hurt to get prepared ahead of time. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and I hope you'll subscribe if you like, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. The fog, I don't know if you can see it, it's really bright.